Welcome to Pemberley Farm. Well, this morning we just have a really quick video to remind you about an event we have coming up this weekend, Saturday, July 31st in Blountstown, Florida at the Panhandle Pioneer Settlement. And it is a really neat place like we talked about before, and I'll have Ashley put the location of it in the comments below. And just to remind you what we're doing, I have notes because I'm old and I forget to say things. So I've got notes today. If you are in the Florida Panhandle or in South Georgia, South Alabama, Blountstown's not that far away. If you're over in Tallahassee or even a little bit beyond, and you see this, just come on over. We're going to have a really good time. Pemberley Farm will be there, and we will be doing 2 classes in open fire cooking. We will be doing a breakfast class at 9 o'clock, and it will include instructions on how to cook over the open fire, how to build a very simple smoker and how to smoke meat in it, as well as you'll take home a booklet that gives a lot of information, even some information that we don't cover in the class. And on top of all that, you get to eat the breakfast. So it'll be a full meal with a beverage, and the price of the class is $15. Now, we also will have a lunch class, and it will be at 11:30. And again, same thing. You'll learn how to do all of that. You'll take home a notebook that's got a lot of information in it, and you'll get to eat the lunch. So you can't beat that deal. You get lunch and a lot of instruction all for one price. So anyway, if you want to get your tickets ahead of time to make sure you get a spot in one of the classes, you can go to eventbrite.com. Ashley will put a link to that in the bottom in the description as well. You can go there and get your tickets early if you want to do that to make sure you get a spot. So also Pemberley Farm will be there in full force with lots of things for you to buy. We have a bakery, a cottage bakery. So we'll have all manner of homemade breads and sweets and a lot of different things from our cottage bakery. We also will have bath and body products that were made here on the farm, natural bath and body products. And we will have some jams and jellies and some other items that are that are yummy things to eat. And we will also have some survival type items. So that were made here on the farm. So it will be a lot of stuff for you to look at. Oh, and on top of that, we'll have some bunnies and some chickens. So just a little bit of everything from Pemberley Farm for you to come and see and learn and buy. And so we're, let me look at my notes one more time, make sure I've got everything. I think that's it. Thank you for joining us here at Pemberley Farm and following along with us on our journey. And just don't forget now to like, share, and subscribe. When you share our videos, that really helps our channel to grow. And I just want to remind you also that we have a Facebook, and on Facebook we are Pemberley Farm, and we have a web page that is in the works. We actually have it already, but there's not much on it yet except some really old stuff. So if you want to go look at and see what we did in the past, you could go to pemberleyfarm.net and look out and see what we did a long time ago and what we're coming back to, and more and better. So again, thank you for following us on this journey, and you have a blessed day from Pemberley Farm.